5. 4. 5.
Hi, my name is Joshua. Welcome to Notes from the 6th grade, the program that brings you everything you need to know about 6th graders at Scholars Academy. Today, our guest is David, who's going to talk to us about the time he almost jumped out of his window. Welcome, David. Also joining us in our live studio audience is Class 602. Welcome. So, what triggered your inspiration to jump out of this window?
Well, my mom, she took me to see Spider-Man, and I was about 5 years old. So we went to see Spider-Man in the movies, and we came back. So it was like 3 in the afternoon, and she went down to do the laundry. And while she was doing the laundry, I was in my room. And in my room, there was like a sneaker box right under the window. So I jumped on the sneaker box, and then I got on the windowsill, and I opened it up. And then I started to hang there for a while.
How exactly did you get the guts?
Well, like I was 5 years old, and I really didn't think about it. And I didn't think about the consequences that I would get from doing that.
I think we have a question from the audience.
What do you think the exact time was you were hanging there?
Well, I probably was there for only 2 to 3 minutes, but it really felt like hours up there. So, continuing on the story. So, while I was on the window, I started screaming, I guess because I was happy. And my mom heard me screaming, so she ran upstairs, and she had a laundry basket in her hand because she had all the clothes in there. And she was there, and she didn't know what to do, so she slowly walked up to me. And for some apparent reason, she threw the clothes out the window. And she took the laundry basket and tried to grab me. And I almost fell. But she got me in the laundry basket, and she pulled me out the window. And after she pulled me out, she told me that if I were to ever do that again, that she would let me hang there, and she wouldn't help me at all. So
All right, what's the moral of this story?
well, the moral of the story is if you think you can do something that a superhero does, it's not going to end up really good because you can hurt yourself a lot. Especially with Superman and all that. So yeah.
Well, thank you, David, for telling us that interesting story. We really enjoyed having you. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us. I'm Josh. See you next time.